In the previous video, we discussed about introduction part on linear equation in one variable. Now some key points I wrote on the board, copied in your classwork. First one is definition of linear equation. A linear equation in one variable is an equation in which the highest power of the variable is 1. This is the definition for linear equation. Next, general form. In general, the equation of the form ax plus b equal to c. Ax plus b equal to c. This is the general form where a, b and c are rational numbers. Here a, b and c are any rational numbers. And a is not equal to 0. Always the a value is not equal to 0. Other than non-zero number should be taken. Is called a linear equation in one variable x. Here the variable we took as x. So we have to call linear equation in one variable, that is as x. Next, the value of the variable which satisfies the given equation is called solution or the root of the equation. Nothing but by finding the x value, you will get some value. That value always satisfies the given equation. Satisfies nothing but if you write the x value, LHS and RHS should be same. Nothing but what value you got in the LHS part, same value should get in the RHS part. Then we can say that that value is the solution or root of the given equation. Next point, in this chapter, we shall learn to solve the equation of the type ax plus b divided by cx plus d equal to k. Like these equations we are going to learn in this chapter, where here a, b, c and d and also the k. These are numbers. Any numbers. A, b, c, d and k are any numbers. X is the variable. X is the variable and cx plus d is not equal to 0. Cx plus d is in the denominator. Denominator always not equal to 0. If the denominator is equal to 0, the whole equation is invalid. So in this chapter we are going to solve how to simplify and get the value of x when the equation is of the form ax plus b divided by cx plus d equal to k. And also the given equation is not in the linear equation. First you have to convert the given equation in the form of linear equation in one variable. Next we have to find the x value. Now let us discuss how to find the solution when the equation is of the form like this. Now let us solve example 1. When the equation is of the form ax plus b divided by cx plus d is equals to k. When the equation is of the form like this, how to find the x value and also you have to verify your answer. Here the given equation is 2x minus 1 divided by 3x plus 5 is equals to 5. Standard form of the linear equation already we discussed. What is that? Ax plus b equal to constant or c. You can write constant. Here the given equation is not in the form of linear equation. So you have to make the given equation is in the standard form. To make this standard form, two methods are there. First method is by removing the denominator and making it into linear equation standard form. Another method is by cross multiplication. First method I am going to show here how to remove the denominator and make it into a standard form of linear equation. Here the denominator is 3x plus 5. First you have to remove this one. It is divided. So what you have to do? By multiplying the same denominator on both sides, we can remove the denominator. So by doing that, the equation does not changes its value. Because we are doing what we are doing in the LHS side, same you have to do in the RHS side. 2x minus 1 divided by 3x plus 5. What you have to do here? It is divided. You have to multiply 3x plus 5 is equals to same what you done in the LHS. RHS also you have to do same. 5 into here you multiply 3x same you have to multiply on the LHS side. 3x plus 5. In the next step, here 3x plus 5 get cancelled. What is remaining in the LHS? 2x minus 1 is equals to, in the RHS, 5 into 3x plus 5. 2x minus 1, write as it is. Multiply 5 to inside the bracket. 5 3s are 15x. Plus sign as it is. 5 5s are 25. Now, in the next step, what you have to do? Transposing the terms by changing the sign. Here, 2x is there. Here, what are in the LHS side? What are the x terms you have to take to that side? Nothing but 2x. I am going to take 15x to LHS side. Here, plus 15x is there. When you take to the LHS side, it becomes minus 15x. Equal sign, write as it is. Here already 15x you took in the LHS side. What is left here? Plus 25, write as it is. And here in the LHS side, minus 1 left. This number you have to take to the RHS side. Minus 1 when you take to the RHS side, minus changes to plus. Plus 1. 15 minus 2 is 13x. Greater number sign, minus, is equals to 25 plus 1 is 26. Here you need only x term. X is equals to 26. Again transpose the constant number to the RHS side. Here x is with minus 13. This minus 13 you have to take to the RHS side. Here minus 13 is multiplied with x. When you take to the RHS side, it is going to divide. Minus 13. Then x is equals to 13 ones are 13 twos are. Here along with minus sign, x value what you got here? Minus 2. This is the solution or root for the given equation by removing the denominator. This is the one method. Now you have to verify the answer whether the x value is the correct root or solution for the equation or not. For that, what we have to write? What we have to do? First write down the equation. What equation given? Write as it is. Verification. Here 2x minus 1 divided by 3x plus 5 is equals to 5. X value what we got here? Minus 2. You have to substitute the x value in the LHS part. Consider only LHS. 2x minus 1 divided by 3x plus 5. What is the x value? X value we got minus 2. Substitute. 2 into minus 2 minus 1 divided by 3 into x value is minus 2 plus 5. 2 2s are 4. Plus into minus, minus 4 minus 1 divided by 3 2s are 6 minus 6 plus 5. Minus into minus plus 4 plus 1 5. Greater number sign minus. Minus 5 in the numerator divided by minus into plus minus 6 minus 5 1. Greater number sign minus 1. Here minus into minus divided by minus is going to convert as plus. 5 by 1 value remains 5. We got here RHS. By taking LHS we proved RHS. Hence verification completed. Nothing but what we find the x value, that is the solution for the given equation. Hence we proved or hence verified. So this is the one method how to find a solution when the equation is of the form like this. Now let us discuss the another method. Another method, that is cross multiplication method. Usually we are going to solve the using cross multiplication only we are going to solve the solution for the equation. Here given equation as it is. First you have to convert it into a standard form by cross multiplication method. In the RHS side, 5, only 5 is there. You can write this one as 5 by 1. 5 or 5 by 1. There is no difference in that. You can write this as 5 by 1. So, in cross multiplication method, what we have to do? LHS part of the numerator multiplied to the RHS part of the denominator. Nothing but cross multiply. And LHS part of the denominator multiplied to the RHS part of the numerator. Like this. First write down 2x minus 1 is multiplied with 1 is equal to, right, is equal to sign as it is. Next, denominator of the LHS multiply with numerator of the RHS. 5 into 3x plus 5. Next, simplification. By multiplying 2x minus 1 into 1, you will get same 2x minus 1, right as it is equals to. Now multiply 5 to inside the bracket, you will get 15x plus 25. 5 3s are 15, x as it is, 5 5s are 25. The next step, transposing the terms. Nothing but take all the x terms to one side and all the constant numbers to another side. Here I am going to take all the x terms to LHS side and all the constant terms to the RHS side. Here 2x, right, as it is, x term plus 15x. When you take to the LHS side, plus 15x is going to change as minus 15x is equals to, right, as it is, plus 25, right, as it is in the RHS part, minus 1 it is in the LHS part. Take to the RHS, minus is going to change as plus. In transposing the terms, you have to be careful. Plus is going to change as minus, minus is going to change as plus, and multiplication is going to change as division, division is going to change as multiplication. Next, simplification. Minus 13x. 15 minus 2, you will get 13. Greater number sign, minus 13x is equals to 25 plus 1 is 26. Now again x is with minus 13. So you have to make x as single. So what you have to do? X write as it is, 26 also write as it is. Here x is with minus 13, nothing but x is multiplied with minus 13. Make this x single. What you have to do? You have to remove this minus 13. So take to the RHS part. It is multiplied here. When you take to the RHS part, it is going to divide. Right? Minus sign as it is, because the complete x variable multiplied with minus 13. Minus 13 right as it is, because multiplication only changing into division. The next step, 13 ones are 13 twos are, x is equals to plus into minus, you will get minus 2. In the previous what method we followed, we got x value same minus 2. In the cross multiplication method also we got x value minus 2. Same as it is, verification we have to do. Verification. In verification part, given question, right, as it is. Consider only LHS. What is LHS? 2x minus 1 divided by 3x plus 5. Here substitute the x value. X value we got minus 2. 2 twos are 4, minus 4, minus 1 divided by 3 twos are minus 6 plus 5. Minus into minus plus, 4 plus 1, 5. Greater number sign minus divided by minus into plus, minus 6 minus 5 minus 1, because greater number sign is minus. Minus divided by minus plus. 5 by 1 is 5 itself. So, by taking LHS, we proved RHS. Hence, verified. LHS and RHS, we got both same. LHS 5 we got. In RHS also 5 is there. So LHS and RHS is both are same. Then what we find the x value is the solution or root for the given equation. Last, hence verify. This is the another method, that is cross multiplication method. By doing the cross multiplication method, first you have to convert the given equation in the form of standard linear equation, and by applying the transposing method you have to find the x value. Later you have to verify. This is how to simplify the given equation.